I created a Google Translator application using Python Tkinter library. You might not know that Python offers a library called googletrans which acts as an API to allow us to translate languages using Python programming. This library can work with a total of 107 different languages. I used it to create this application. You will get a complete article on this topic also with the source code from my website. The link is in the description box. Check this out also. Let's move on to the main topic. I'm gonna convert a very common English phrase to Spanish. It's called Te amo in Spanish. Sounds so pretty, right? I hope most of you guys are well familiar with it. Now I'm gonna convert a Spanish phrase to English. Yeah, we got the result perfectly. It was an overview video. Hope you liked it. See you soon in the next video.